दावत इस्लामी के इस दीनी माहौल की एक बरकत यह है कि नए नए यानी गैर मुस्लिम जो मुसलमान हुए, ये बहुत जबरदस्त दावत इस्लामी का मत इनकलाब है। आइए कुछ इसके ताल्लुक से देखते हैं।
I'm an American, but in the year 2007, alhamdulillah, I was blessed with tawbah from these false beliefs and read the kalima and became a Muslim. However, in 2017, I was blessed to attend my local Faizan Medina. I was amazed by the abundant spirituality of the weekly ijtima, doing zikr, reading naat, and all these things I had never seen before. Alhamdulillah, I embraced Silsila Qadriya Razaviya Atariya. I have experienced great joy in things I never saw before, such as the beautiful celebrations of Milad. I am now a student in Jamiatul Medina in Houston, Texas, in the United States. I am in my 4th year, Darja Arabia. None of this would ever be possible without the love of Amir al-Sunnat and the wonderful organization of Dawat Islami. Thank you, Dawat Islami. Thank you, Amir al-Sunnat. Bahut bahut shukriya.
I reverted this year on the 2nd day of Ramadan, and it's benefited me a lot with family and friends. My life's adapted. I've started to have a better life, happier life. Came across Islam because I was looking for spirituality. I'm very grateful for Dawat Islami because without it I wouldn't be able to be a better person and wouldn't be able to have better friends without it. I love the Manidi channel, I love Dawat Islami, and I love Amiri Ahmed Sunnat.
I wasn't a Muslim before, but mashallah today I'm a Muslim and I'm proud to be a Muslim. As you can see, that Dawat Islami has done so many changes in my life. Today I'm working with Dawat Islam as a translation officer. Along with that, I'm also learning the Holy Quran. Mashallah, good job to Dawat Islam.
I've been a Muslim for about 9 years now. I was fortunate enough to bump into some of the brothers who are with Dawat Islami in the local masjid in Coventry. Alhamdulillah, some great brothers, and they've really helped me come along. I've took part in quite a few Madani Kafilas now, learning, they've taught me how to do wuzu, salah, of learning to read Al-Quran. It's fantastic. I'd just like to say it's been really good, a really good journey, and I really love the Madani channel. I love Dawat Islami, and I love Amir Ahli Sunnat.
फैज़ान दावत